my brothers and sisters in Islam. And know that the good deeds that are done during this month are noble and they are multiplied in reward. Yes, they are multiplied in reward, as the ulama rahimahumullah mentioned. The good deeds. Tomorrow is Monday. If you fast tomorrow, it is not like fasting last Monday. If you fast tomorrow, Monday, a Monday in Rajab, fasting it is not like fasting a Monday that was last week. The Monday that you fast tomorrow, the day you fast in Rajab, the good deeds you do in Rajab are multiplied. This is from barakat, this is from rahmatillah azza wa jal, from the mercy, the compassion, the kindness of Allah azza wa jal. And this is supposed to prepare us for Ramadan. Wake up. We have a beautiful month ahead of us. This is not any days are coming, days are going, months are coming, months are going. This is a special month. Wake up and realize what we're in. This is the month of Rajab. Allah, I'm not giving you anything new. This is something that is established in the Quran or in the Sunnah. But perhaps you're unaware. So I'm reminding you, this is a message not only to you, this is a message we need to spread to the entire world. People need to know what Rajab is. People need to know the sacredness and the honor that Allah Azza wa Jal gave this month. So the good deeds are multiplied in their reward, and they are a huge, noble matter. They're a big deal when you do them in this month. And the bad deeds, the sins during the sacred months, the sin during Rajab, the month we're in, they are a serious, huge matter and a crime. They're huge in their crime. It's a big deal. It's a huge violation against Allah Azza wa Jal. However, they are not multiplied. Allahu Akbar. This is from the mercy of Allah Azza wa Jal. The sin that's committed in the sacred months, they are huge in terms of their size. It's a huge violation. It's massive disrespect for this month. However, in terms of sayyi'at, they are not multiplied. So if you do a bad deed in Rajab, it's recorded as just one sayyi'ah, one bad deed. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He said in the Quran, مَنْ جَاءَ بِالْحَسَنَةِ فَلَهُ عَشْرُ أَمْثَالِهَا. Anyone who comes on the day of judgment with a hasanah, with one good deed. You see the condition, you must come with your hasanah. We learn from this that you can lose it before the day of judgment. You can lose your hasanat. The condition is you must preserve the hasanah and come with it on the day of judgment. If you come with your hasanah on the day of judgment, then Allah Azza wa Jal will give you its reward 10 times. He multiplies it 10 times. Allahu Akbar. وَمَنْ جَاءَ بِالسَّيِّئَةِ. And anyone who comes with a bad deed, فَلَا يُجْزَى إِلَّا مِثْلَهَا. It's not multiplied and it's given as one bad deed for such a person. My brothers and sisters in Islam, this is something about the blessed month and the holy and the sacred month of Rajab. And this is how we're supposed to honor it.